Hello, my lovely folks. Welcome back to my channel. If you are passionate about storytelling, media, and making an impact, then today's video is just for you. We are diving deep into the exciting career opportunities in mass communication and journalism. And we'll also discuss how you can become an assistant professor in this field. But before that, please don't forget to hit that like button. Now, what is mass communication and journalism? First off, let's define what we means by mass communication and journalism. Mass communication is the process of creating, sending, receiving and analyzing messages to large audiences through various mediums like television, radio, social media and print. Journalism, on the other hand, focuses on gathering, assessing, creating and presenting news and information. Both fields are dynamics and ever evolving, offering a plethora of career opportunity. Now let's talk about the career opportunities in mass communication. So, what kind of jobs can you get in mass communication? Let's break it down. Journalist. Of course, one of the most traditional paths is becoming a journalist, whether it's print, broadcast, even it's a digital. You will be responsible for reporting news, writing articles, and conducting interviews. Next is public relations specialist. PR specialists manage the public image of companies and individuals, creating press releases, organizing events, and handling media inquiries. Next opportunity is content creator or producer. In today's digital age, content creators are high in demand. From bloggers and vloggers to social media managers, there are endless opportunities to share your voice online. Broadcasting. You could also work in broadcasting. Think radio host, news anchors, or production assistants. This field requires strong communication skills and the ability to work under pressure. Media research analyst. For those who love data, becoming a media research analyst allows you to study audience behaviors, trends, and preferences to help companies tailor their content. Becoming an assistant professor. Now, if teaching is your passion, you might consider becoming an assistant professor in mass communication or journalism. Here, how to go about it? Typically, you will need at least a master's degree in mass communication and journalism or related field. Many universities prefer candidates with a PhD as well as UGC NET qualification, especially for tenure track positions. Having practical experience in journalism or mass communication is essential, whether you have worked as journalist in PR or in digital media. Real world experience will enrich your teaching. Research and publications. Engaging in research and publishing your work in academic journals can set you apart. It shows you are actively contributing to the field and can provide valuable insights to your students. Networking is crucial. Attend industry conferences, join professional organizations, and connect with other educators in your field. Gaining teaching experience, even as teaching assistant or through guest lectures, can be invaluable. It helps you build your teaching philosophy and style. So, whether you want to be a journalist, a PR specialist, or an educator, the field of mass communication and journalism is filled with exciting opportunities. If you want another detailed video related to career opportunities in mass communication and journalism, give it thumbs up and do comment and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep communicating. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.